If you've been thinking about upgrading your front door to a smart lock, this one caught my eye right out of the box. This is the Anona Holo Wi-Fi Smart Lock, and it was gifted to me by the brand. It's a keyless entry deadbolt that connects over Wi-Fi and works with both Alexa, Apple Home, and Matter voice control. Now, right inside the box, you get the lock itself, you have the keypad, you got detailed installation instructions, everything's labeled clearly. And what I like is the design is for non-destructive install. So you don't need to drill extra holes or modify your existing door. It also features auto lock, remote app control, and even anomaly detection, which sends alerts if something seems off. Now, the overall design looks sleek and modern. The setup seems rather straightforward to me. I'll be testing it later on how responsive it is once it's installed. But if you want to check out and see the current pricing, I've linked it in the description below. Hope you all found this helpful and have a great day.